हाय, इट्स बिन अ लॉन्ग टाइम, मुझे पता है, लेकिन आई एम बैक on YouTube after like 3 months. So, a bit of an update before I begin with the video. I am working on the main video that's gonna come out most likely in July. So, it's the reason ये video को बहुत time लग रहा है is because this is a video that I am perfecting the scripting a lot. Plus, I'm a student myself, so बहुत ही ज़्यादा hectic सा schedule है मेरा, तो it's been really difficult for me to script the video. And even with that added, I really want the script to be good. I want that quality in the script. So, sorry अगर थोड़ा time लग रहा है, but I'm assuring you guys कि ये video तुम लोगों को पसंद आएगी, बिकॉज मैं ये वीडियो अपलोड नहीं करूँगी जब तक आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद इट. सो या तुम समझ सकते हो, आई ट्राई माई वेरी बेस्ट, आई एम गोना गिव इट माई ऑल इन दिस वन. सो मेन वीडियो आने वाली है. ऑल्सो अगर तुम लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा, आई गॉट अ माइक. दिस माइक इज वेरी, इट्स नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव ऑफ अ माइक, मुझे अमेजोन से मिला. It is, but right now it's doing the job. It's clearing up the excess background noise and audio. Hopefully the quality is better now. तो yeah, and तुम लोग सोचेंगे ये मैंने छुरे पे क्यों पकड़ के रखा है माइक, करकी लगने के लिए. I have seen YouTubers do this and I always thought it was interesting, so I've also joined the bandwagon of putting up your mic on a fork or something. So yeah, वो तो कर लिया है, but this is not what the video is about. Let's get to the point. तो ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैं ऐसे spontaneously बना रही हूँ, because I've been thinking about this for the past week actually. तो ये this is really a school rant, but it's also more of a societal rant. So अगर तुम्हें rants सुनना नहीं पसंद तो प्लीज मेरी मेन वीडियो आएगी, वो देख लेना. This is for the people who might be thinking the same thing as me. So let's begin. देखो, मेरे school, I've been thinking there was an incident that happened in my school like a week or two ago. I won't go into the details because honestly ये मेरी जगह नहीं है बोलने के लिए, because I was not involved, or I wasn't even a witness to anything that happened in my school. But ये सब चीज़ें जो हैं, it's very public in my school. Everyone knows about it, even those who weren't involved. But it got me thinking कि कुछ साल पहले when I was 6th में थे जब हम लोग when I was in middle school वगैरह, स्कूल कितना अलग था. स्कूल was so different back then. तुम लोग बोलोगे अरे it's part of growing up. I understand, part of growing up तो एक फैक्टर है, लेकिन more or less it is just the entirety of the vibe that school gives off now. मेरे लिए school used to be a place where I used to hang out with my friends, and we used to just talk about random stuff. बहुत random बातें करते थे हम लोग, अभी भी यही करते हैं. But it is the entire ऐसे vibe आती है ना स्कूल की, जब तुम क्लास के अंदर बैठते हो and you are just sitting in the class and you are just talking to your friends and everyone around you is doing the same. But there is some sort of positivity there. But now it is way different. जब मैं अपने खुद के फ्रेंड ग्रुप के साथ बात करती हूँ, आई एम comfortable, but as soon as I glance at my other classmates, I get this wave of just disappointment. Because if I'm being very honest, my peers, I'm not just talking about my classmates, वो शायद से वीडियो देख लेंगे, मैं तुम लोगों की बुराई, it's just I don't want to talk bad about anyone. I know ये किसी की स्पेसिफिक गलती नहीं है, लेकिन teenagers now are just shitty, very, very shitty people. and it just makes me very heartbroken that ऐसे हम इतने ज़्यादा बुरे वे में बदले. The type of things, if you are not a student in high school or if you are not a student in general now, तुम बहुत साल पहले रह चुके हो, तुम मुझसे बड़े हो, आप मुझसे बड़े हो. School is hell. Really, school has become a social power plant, toxic nuclear power plant, and a lot of it is the result of honestly social media. And yeah, main चीज़ तो यही है. इसलिए आई फील दैट कि भाई सोशल मीडिया ना जितना बून है ना उतना इक्वली एक कर्स भी है, बिकॉज it really pollutes your mind, and certain apps do that. Most of the social media apps do that, and it is very sad कि भाई ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं. मतलब इतनी शिटी चीज़ें मैं बताती हूँ. I'll give you an example, right? I've heard stories of kids my age cheating on their boyfriends and girlfriends. Cheating मतलब जो बड़े होके लोग करते हैं, किसी को करना भी नहीं चाहिए, अडल्ट को भी नहीं. I'm not justifying anything, but ये जो चीज़ें बड़े होके होती है, चीटिंग होना वगैरह, ये सब people are doing it at my age. Then I have people who are drinking, smoking, vaping, who are doing drugs even. I have people around me who have had sexual intercourse or sex, simple भाषा में. I have people who are, and ये जो आबादी है ये कम नहीं है. It is the majority of the group. I mean, अगर 100% में से 25% of people have done all these things. 25% is quite a bit percentage. And जो बचा कुचा और like 25% है, like out of the 50%, 50% people are normal. They're just living their life, they're just focusing on their own life. But then जो बाकी का 25% है, those are shitty people. They treat others like vermin. They treat others with, with such hatred. इतनी गंदी तरीके से ट्रीटमेंट होती है आजकल लाइक पीयर्स में, मतलब एक दूसरे में. And just nobody is kind to each other anymore. I know कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा कुंबाया वाली बात हो गई. अरे तुम लोग मुझे कमेंट्स में बोलोगे दुनिया ऐसी नहीं होती है, बड़े होने के बाद ऐसी चीज़ें ही होती हैं. I understand, but isn't that a bad thing? Why are we accepting the fact that this entire just hatred amongst each other and just bad personality like जो लोगों की होती है, why are we accepting it? हमें एक दूसरे के लिए we should be kind to each other, right? हमें एक दूसरे की अंडरस्टैंड EQ बढ़ाना चाहिए बेसिकली लोगों को अपना. EQ जो होता है ना, IQ एक स्टैंडर्ड बन गया है इंडियन स्कूल्स में, जिसका IQ ज़्यादा है या फिर जो बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लाता है, द मार्क्स स्टैंडर्ड बेसिकली ये दिन ब दिन बढ़ता है. बट जो उस मार्क्स के स्टैंडर्ड के अंदर आते हैं, दे आर ट्रीटेड लाइक गॉड्स. बट उनकी पर्सनैलिटी, देयर ह्यूमन नेचर एज पीपल, वेरी शिटी पीपल, very very shitty people. You can just tell the way they talk to people who are not their friends, the way they interact with teachers. You can tell they're shitty people. And unfortunately, my school is filled with them. Very, very, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग. And that's why a lot of people who are, still thinking about having a good friend circle and stuff, उनकी circle बहुत छोटी बन गई है. And I'm one of those people. I have a very small circle of friends. I don't go out of my way to just talk to everyone. मैं बात करती हूँ सबसे, in my class at least, but I don't go around and make everybody my friend, because I know the reality that some of these people hide behind their masks at school. A lot of people might think, "Arey, you're leaving in a couple of years. You're just leaving very soon, and why do you need to care?" For me as a person, I notice a lot of things around my society. In general, काफी चीजें मैं notice कर देती हूँ. One of these things being, and मैं स्कूल में रहती हूँ, right? I'm a JC student. तो जूनियर कॉलेज में जो चीजें हो रही हैं, जो environment बन गया है, that hostile environment, how you are going there every day, right? How can you not notice it? And for people who are hyper observant or like they see a lot of things, वो notice बहुत करते हैं, that just makes it worse. And for me, I have noticed quite a lot. I'm never partaking a lot in stuff like this, but I've noticed quite a bit. And it just makes me sad. I want that time where people are building up their personalities, being compassionate, truly compassionate and understanding towards each other, and being cordial human beings. That's all I really want teens to be like. I know there are teens out there who are doing a lot of things for for a good cause. I applaud you guys. तुम लोग बहुत rare हो. तुम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा rare हो. And yeah, being not on social media really gives me a clarity on how much filth there is out there. How shitty people are these days. It really does. I know I'm repeating a lot of what I'm saying, but हाँ, like कुछ टाइम पहले और अभी भी like कुछ टाइम पहले 1-2 महीने पहले आई गेस अडोलेसेंस ट्रेंड कर रहा था ना नेटफ्लिक्स पे इंडिया में. अगर तुम लोगों ने वो सीरीज देखी नहीं है तो आई हाईली रिकमेंड इट. अडोलेसेंस तुम लाइक जो लोगों ने देखा है, a lot of people have like applauded the series by saying ki arey this is such an eye opener, and a lot of these people praising the series are parents or adults like directors and stuff, but specifically India में बहुत trend कर रहा था ये. You know how when I watched that series, I could not sleep after that. मैं सो नहीं पाई. And मैं इतनी ज़्यादा शॉक में थी because of not what was portrayed, and I was like, it was like huge news for me, but because of how realistic it was. It felt like somebody had taken the brains of people at my own school and just made it British. It was my school but British, in England. That's how real adolescence was. And yeah, like it just made me question everything. It made me really question a lot of things about what was around me, and it was so hyper realistic. Adolescence is not just a message or an eye opener for parents or adults कि भाई बच्चे कर क्या रहे हैं. It's an eye opener for teens. तुम लोग अगर if you're a teen, I really recommend you to watch Adolescence. अगर तुमने देख रखी है, then you may have also noticed of how uncannily similar the characters and the environment, school वाली environment जो है थी उस शो में वो दिखाई गई थी, how similar it is to real life. And I legit could not sleep after that. मतलब जेमी जो मेन कैरेक्टर था उसमें, जेमी जैसे और बहुत ब्लड के हैं. A lot of guys are like Jamie in my school as well. To those guys I would like to say कि भाई please open your eyes. Please develop some sense of empathy for women and just for people in general. I'm not just talking about women here. I am actually, but you know what I mean. I want you guys to develop empathy. थोड़ा अपने दिमाग को broaden कर लो, थोड़ा कुछ सीख लो लाइफ में, because if you continue this attitude, you really aren't going that far. I'm being very brutally honest here. Because ये जो incel culture है ना, it's very common in my school as well. It is very common in Indian schools now. Very, very common. That's why I want guys my age, if you're a guy my age or maybe younger, please don't fall for this. Incel culture really won't make you feel loved in life, or I'm not just talking about romantic love. It won't make you feel happy. Because incel culture is not just, oh, I hate women, or oh, women are trash, or whatever like that. It's not that. That's the face value. That's only the face of incel culture. It lies deep within misogyny and society itself. बहुत अंदर बहुत deep चीज़ें हैं ये, बहुत. I would like to make a video on this in the near future, but as a woman, I really want guys my age to wake the hell up and notice what you're doing. And yeah, I really want change, basically. So yeah, shitty people are always gonna be there, and I feel like as Gen Zs and as Generation Z, we need to wake up, develop a personality, develop yourself as a person, be compassionate, be kind, and enjoy life at its simplest, बहुत deep हो गया है तो भाई, oh my god. But yeah, like that's all I really wanted to say. Thank you for watching if you did. Subscribe कर दो अगर मेरी बातें थोड़ी भी thought provoking लगी तो. I know कुछ मैंने खास नहीं बोला है, but it's not something that people don't already know, but I really want some change here. So yeah, comment करना your personal stories if you would like to share. In the comments मैं reply करूँगी, definitely मैं पढ़ूँगी. मैं my community, the community that I will build, I know अभी कोई community नहीं है मेरी, but the community that I will build in the near future, it's always gonna be a safe space. It's gonna be a place where everyone feels respected and loved, and just a place of compassion. Hatred नहीं होने वाला इसमें. I assure you, because future में मेरी community is gonna be my responsibility, and as they say कि the artist, what the artist portrays and what the artist puts out there, that's exactly reflected in their fans or their community. So I will be compassionate, and I would expect कि compassionate people to like my videos if they would. But yeah, अभी बारिश हो रही है वैसे. It's raining here. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the main video. Bye. Take care of your mental health. Stay happy and stay safe.